Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Copilot if it is not working or not showing on your Windows PC. First, open the Start menu and click on Settings. After that, go to Windows Update on the left side. Click Check for updates and install any updates that are available. Sometimes Copilot stops working because Windows is outdated. After the updates finish installing, restart your computer and check if Copilot is back. If Copilot is still missing, you can reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. Open Microsoft Store from the Start menu and search for Microsoft Copilot. When you find it, click Install. If it is already installed, you can still open the app page and make sure it is updated. After installing, right-click the app and pin it to the taskbar or Start menu if you want easier access. Another method is repairing the Copilot app. Open Settings again and go to Apps, then Installed Apps. In the search bar, type Microsoft 365 Copilot. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Scroll down and click Repair. Wait for the process to finish and then test the app again. You can also click the three dots next to Copilot and select Modify. A repair window will appear. Click Repair and let Windows fix any damaged files related to the app. Restart your PC one more time. Thanks for watching.